How to send fake snaps on Snapchat without filter. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let me show you what does that mean. If I go to my Snapchat and go into any of these chats, and let's say I want to send a picture from my gallery without any filter but as a snap. So if I click on my gallery and select any of these pictures, as you can see, it has sent it as a picture, not as a snap. So what you have to do is to simply go to Play Store and search for this OVF editor. Once you have installed it, simply open it up, and it's available both on iOS and Android, so you can simply download it for free. So once you are here, you have to click on this photo and video and click on this select image. Now simply select your image from your file manager. Once you have selected this, as you can see on the bottom, there are many options to edit your image or basically retouch your image. So once you are done editing, if you want to, you have to click on this tick button on the top right corner and it will save it, and also it will give you a share option on your Snapchat. So of course we have to go for that. So once you are here, again you have to select your particular chat after clicking on the next button. So as you can see, once I have sent it to anyone from my chat box, it has sent it as a snap. So that's how basically you can send fake snaps on Snapchat without a filter.